All right guys, Chad here, Sandy Garage Toys. Today is the day for the Compass. We have wheels and tires coming for it. We'll be leaving here in just a little bit to go to Discount Tire in Evansville to have those put on. Bought those from Tim Stansberry there in Evansville. Super good guy. Really kind of helped me decide on wheels and tires, give me a pretty decent deal on them. So anyways, hang on, let me flip the camera around. So this is what it looks like after having the 2-inch lift installed. So anyways, we're going to be leaving here in a little bit, putting wheels and tires on it. So we'll let you guys see what that looks like whenever we get back home with them. So, but anyways, that's what it looks like before, and then we'll go with the after here in just a little bit. So all right, we'll see the new ones here in just a minute. Hey guys, when I was going through the editing process for this video, I noticed that I kept saying these are Niche Misano wheels, and that is not what they are. These are Niche Misano wheels. In the title sequence, you'll notice it has them listed off there as far as size and the tires and stuff like that. So I hope that kind of helps. But anyways, they are Niche Misano wheels. So I don't know the exact model number of them, but they are a matte black. I guess they're offered in matte black, gloss black, and something else. I think maybe anthracite. But anyways, these are the matte black Niche Misano wheels. So I hope that helps, clears things up here as this video goes on. Okay, so here's what we got. We ended up getting 18 by 8 Niche, N-I-C-H-E. I don't know how everybody wants to pronounce it. Niche Misano wheels. They're 18 by 8, 5-on-110, and they ended up getting mounted on some Toyo Open Country AT3s in the 235/60/18s. So these are about the most aggressive, kind of tire you can get that size. So I like to run a little more aggressive tires. So, but overall they're not bad so far. They mounted up good. They balanced out good. They did a really good job there at Discount Tire here in Evansville. So not really any clearing issues or anything like that. I think they do maybe kind of rub in here just a hair, which I went ahead and done the pinch seam mod whenever I had the fender out and was putting the lift kit on. I just haven't put a screw in there yet to suck that back to allow for that little extra clearance. But I mean, you can't hear them rubbing or anything when you're at full lock, so that's good. But overall, I think they look good on there. There's plenty of clearance front, back, and sides, so we shouldn't have any problems being should be taller than a Trailhawk now, which I think it was before when I pulled up beside one. So but we'll just have to wait and see. I'll do a review on the tires once I get some miles on them, let you guys know how they're doing. I did opt for the tire pressure sensors that Discount Tire sells. I left the ones in my wheels that came in my Jeep wheels, just because if you transferred wheels with them, I'm sure Jeep wouldn't want to warranty them, and Discount Tire said they wouldn't cover them. So, Discount Tire said they would cover these, theirs that they mounted in there, so they put those in there. So we'll just have to see how everything holds up over time. They do have the black lug nuts, so we'll see how those hold up over time. I think the got some stuff on the sidewall from where they tried to clean them up. I think probably one of the things coming up, I'm going to end up painting the brake calipers red. I think that'll give it a nice pop of color in there, just to kind of offset from the white and the black. So we'll see what happens there. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. If you think I need a different color on the calipers besides red, let me know. Maybe debating taking the Compass name off the side here, just to kind of clean that up a little bit, just to make somebody think, what is that? Because it does set a little taller now, and it does look quite a bit different than just a regular Compass. So let me know what you guys think about that. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.